Is your Xumo Box blinking? Here's what it means. A solid white light indicates normal operation or standby. Blinking white or blue usually signifies a software update, boot up sequence, or a network connection attempt. However, a fast blinking red light signals a hardware error, such as overheating, power failure, or HDMI issues. Slow blinking generally means the box is in recovery mode or undergoing a factory reset. This blinking is often due to power and connectivity problems like loose cables, software glitches like outdated firmware, or hardware faults within the device. Knowing the color and pattern is key to diagnosing the problem. Start with basic troubleshooting by unplugging the Xumo box for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can resolve many blinking issues related to power or software glitches. Next, check all cable connections, especially the HDMI and power cables. Ensure they are securely plugged in and not damaged. Loose connections often cause blinking lights. If the issue persists, try a factory reset by pressing and holding the power button on the device for 10 seconds. This can clear software conflicts causing the blinking. Ensure your firmware is up to date by navigating to the device menu and checking for updates. Outdated software can trigger blinking issues. For persistent red blinking or other issues, contact Comcast support. Many problems are user-fixable, but check forums like Reddit for additional troubleshooting tips. If the problem is a hardware defect, Comcast may provide a replacement unit under warranty. Professional assistance is needed for internal issues.